Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all an action camera, something like a GoPro or of that nature. So I'm first going to start out by drawing a circle for the lens. I'll draw another circle on the inside. This will kind of be like the outside cover of the lens. I'm going to then draw this little curve with a dot to make it look like there's a shine on the lens. Now I'm going to draw the circular cornered box that's around the lens. These kind of cameras were really cool when they were first launched because it gave you the ability to do more with the camera, they gave you the ability to do more with the camera other than just record. You can actually mount it to a helmet or to your t-shirt or something and then record so much more. And I think that's one of the reasons why they became so famous, and then everybody started launching their very own version of a camera. So now I'm going to draw the outer box. And I think what's cool about these cameras is how compact they are. So they can really fit inside your travel bag or even in your pocket. So you can just point and shoot. Or capture, not shoot. Now I'm going to continue this line down here. And then just join it up over here to this side. So we got our basic shape, or more than basic. Now I'm going to draw this little LCD display that shows up the battery life and other features that it has. Then I'm going to draw some sort of a sensor or a mic that's at this lower level. I think the mic kind of sits inside this rectangular shape, and then I think this is just like an extra light if you're making a video in dim light or in the nighttime. Next thing I'm going to do is the handle that you hold it with. Now I'm going to draw the actual stick that you hold it with, or the handle. Curve it down over here at the bottom. And then I'm just going to connect it to the top. I'm going to draw two curved lines to show the rubberized grip. There's one, and we have another one. So there we have it, people. Our action camera come GoPro or whatever other brands are out there. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and coloring and drawing, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.